Hello, my people. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depends on where you watching me from. If you are new here, do me a favor by subscribing to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back to watch my video. My people, the story when I carry come today, or the news when I carry come today, na news of Dino Melaye, So I can't run into one video when they talk of how it take making money. So now I say make I come still share am with una, because I tell una say any video, anything when it dey happen for Nigeria, when I see for news, I go come still share am with una. Dino Melaye say they not say im parents not rich o. Dino Melaye say they not even born am with silver spoon o. Not even aluminium spoon. He even can say not even wooden spoon. He say im papa na civil servant for Kano. Because of his religion activities, na dem sack am. Na there he say their wahala come start o. He say they come comot for private school, come go join Gaduna Sarah primary school. He say na from there na he begin train himself. He say he come buy a goat give him mama for village. When the goat go born, he go come sell am. He go come sell the pikin. Then na this goat money na he take buy jam farm. So the same goat money na he still take train himself and the junior ones for school. He say he go stay camp for 3 weeks. He go come do conductor. He say he don work for block factory. He say he don do all kind of job just to make him ends meet. Now understand? So this story, when I hear am, the thing can't touch me. Now I say no, this story no be let me go hear am o. I say this story I must share am with other people. Make una still use am take learn. He say because he sit down look and say all these people when he be say dem rich, their papa no rich o, na dem suffer for theirself. He say na he come see say he go still suffer for himself. So he say he come buy share for McDonald's for America. He say he buy the share for $350,000. He say but now every year he dey make $120,000. Now he dey make. He say if he sit down, he say alert go dey come. He say people don't know how Dino Melaye take make him money o. Say people don't know. Say people don't know how Dino Melaye take make money. He say so now so he suffer take make him money. You understand? So now I say this story, not be only me go hear am my people. Now say make I come still share am with una. Because in they use the indirectly they talk to us and say we fit still make am. If one poor man pikin 2, 3, 4 fit make am, meaning the fifth one go fit still make am. So he say make we not sit down put am for lap. Say we go fit still fight for ourselves. E no mean say they go born us with golden spoon before we go fit make am for this life. So he can use this opportunity to tell us say poor man children fit still dey make am. You understand? So out of all these lessons wey me learn from Dino Melaye now, me don still take my sense. I don still learn something for inside. You understand? So now I say this story make I come still share am with una. My people. Now say make I come still share am for una. Because when una go enter Dino Melaye house, now una go see everywhere fine, different cars, now they there. All those big mighty machine all they there. So he don't sit down and get all those things. So he still hustle for all those things. He still hustle put. Una see and see they fight for youth for Nigeria. Dino Melaye na see person, one of the or I don't even know if he's still a politician. I don't know. He's one of the person when I like for Nigeria. Because you see they fight for youth. You understand? So my people, the news or the story I don't see share with you. So now my people, I go post the video, join this audio message when I do. Una go listen to am together, because not be only my mouth. Una go for hear this one o. Make una hear am from the horse's mouth. Una hear? So I go post the video now. After una listen to my audio message, then una go watch the video. Thank you guys.
So people go dey yarn okpata, they don't know wetin dey happen. Dino go just sit down, they collect alerts.
I'm having 9 shades of time on a Saturday night. You wanna join me? Haters?
Hey, no be only silver spoon. Don't even burn me with aluminium spoon. If I wooden spoon, they don't burn me with. My papa na civil servant for Kano, but because of his religious activity, now then sack am war. Now there our wahala come start to. We come comot for private school, come join Gandu Nasarawa Primary School. Now from there I begin train myself. I come buy goat, come give my mama for village. Then the goat go born. I will come sell the pikin of the goats then. Now this goat money now I take buy jam form. When I come be the ABU, I go spend 3 weeks for campus. I will take 2 weeks go Kano. I go do night job. Not kind job I no do. I don't sell petrol. I don't do work for block factory. I don't do conductor. Now so I take train myself. And that time when I dey school, I dey train myself. I come dey train my younger ones. So now hustle my dear. Now hustle now carry me reach here. But that hustle no be him be the hard work. Now God Almighty. Wetin dey ginger me be say I read a lot of books growing up, and from these books I come realize say all these big names, they no come from big homes. Their papa no hole, but na dem carve niche for themselves. Now I can say, so life no be only these sons and daughters of the bourgeois, the elites. Now if you make up, me to come begin the act like say, they go teach a big man, I'm born me for EBU, but for not lie. Because my philosophy for life is say, you must picture a future you want to feature in.
When they see for the Sinadino, balling every day like Ronaldinho.
During that recession of America, they sell those people who borrow money for bank, we no fit meet up bank, come they sell all those time property. Now I can say they say they want to send one eatery like that. Now McDonald's. Now I can't raise money, buy the franchise. Something where I buy that time, $350,000. My profit after tax today now $1.2 million. And this one I talk of over 12, 15 years ago. That one franchise from America don't give birth to 7 other franchises. If I dey make that kind of money from there, by the time I carry the dollar come here, the money go get muscle. I can't enter real estate. So people go just dey yarn okpata, they don't know wetin dey happen. Dino go just sit down, they collect a lot.
We should just be concentrating on creating funds for the army and the other special things without looking at the police.
I no get 9 lives, I just get big God. And me say I no dey fear anybody as I dey so, all die and I die. If Buhari come here, I go tell her wetin I want tell her. Wetin give me this strong mind, I be say I dey streets. I be senator, but senator with street credibility. If I sing, they go say, hey, senator, they sing. If I act, they go say, senator, how senator go act? And Schwarzenegger no become governor for America. So why will my side attractions now be the reason to judge my capacity and capabilities? So whether I don't tour, I don't do tour, I dance, I don't dance. Whether I drive Lamborghini or I drive Dassault Lorraine, it affect price of Gary for market. So
I think it is time we act and make hay while the sun shines.
my ambition now to become president of Nigeria, and I will achieve it by the grace of God. Because we must rescue this country. The son of nobody must become somebody. Nigerians must not need a note of a senator or a note of a governor to get job in CBN or NNPC. We must have a meritorious society instead of say na connection. What be connection?